In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Sheets desktop shortcut, a small but convenient way to access your spreadsheets directly from your desktop. This will save you time and streamline your workflow, so let's dive right in. First things first, begin by opening the Google Sheet you'd like to create a shortcut for. If you have multiple sheets, select the one you access frequently or need quick access to. Now, once your sheet is open, take a glance at the top right corner of your web browser. You'll spot a set of three vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will unveil a drop-down menu with several options for tweaking your settings. From the drop-down list, you'll need to navigate to the More Tools option. This is where you'll find some of Chrome's advanced features, which are incredibly useful, especially for tasks like creating shortcuts. After selecting More Tools, another set of options will appear. You'll want to focus on the Apps section, hover over it, and you'll notice an option to View Apps. Go ahead and click this. This step opens up a new window where you'll see all the web apps you have installed. Within this new window dedicated to your installed apps, you should see Google Sheets listed among them. If you have many apps installed, you might need to browse through them to find it. Once you've located Google Sheets, look for those familiar three vertical dots in the corner of the Sheets icon. They're there for additional settings and functionalities. When you click on these dots next to Google Sheets, one of the options that will appear is Create a Desktop Shortcut. By selecting this option, you're essentially telling your computer to create a quick access icon for your Google Sheet right on your desktop. This means no more navigating through your web browser each time you want to open your spreadsheet. Lastly, once you click on Create a Desktop Shortcut, your computer will work its magic and you'll find the shortcut icon on your desktop. Clicking on this icon will launch Google Sheets with quick access to the document you chose initially. And just like that, you've transformed your Google Sheets into a convenient desktop shortcut. This small hack can make a huge difference by simplifying how you access and utilize your spreadsheets on a daily basis. So whether you're managing a personal budget, collaborating on a project, or logging data, with your new shortcut, you're just one click away from all your essential information. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, there's always more than one way to enhance productivity, and creating desktop shortcuts is just